Alright, this is what it looks like before. Taking all this off again. I'm gonna take this off too. Before. And we're off. Hold on, let me turn the AC off. Oh shit. Why'd I do that? What is up? What is up? I'm waking up to a nice surprise today. Y'all ready for this? You can kinda already see it. See that? Snow. I haven't seen snow like that in a while. Yup, in a while. Well, you know, we out here. Came to see some Christmas lights. Yes, sir.
It's just dark as fuck.
It is dark.
Oh yeah. We all use that. Flash bright enough. I was using it too.
What's up? So, today, I'm supposed to get my package. Oh, that's my card. I'm supposed to get my package for my car. It's a little mod, but should be an easy install. Should make my car look better. So I'm gonna go pick it up. I'm gonna go back to the garage and I'm gonna put it on. We're gonna see how it turns out. All right, let's go. This little box. Can y'all guess what it is? I bet not. But now, back to the garage. Quick install. See how my baby looks. Ooh. Let's see if you'll be able to tell a difference later. Okay. So I'm at the garage now. I opened the package, or the little envelope that Amazon brings it in. And look, it has legit no markings, well except that. But yeah, oh, plain white box cut. Okay. Now I'm gonna open it up right here so y'all can see what it is. Hold on, what can I put my? Alright. This is my first time opening it, seeing what it is, even though I know what it is, but I haven't seen it in person. So, ooh. Woo! It looks nice. I'm excited. Oh. Oh. It's for the door handle. Carbon fiber for the door handle. I'm gonna open this one up. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, look, you can see the phone. But yeah, look at that. It's gonna look nice. It even brings the low pieces for the other side of the door handle. Wow, this one comes in a little Ziploc. The other one doesn't, because it's too big. Alright, now I'm gonna go install these and then see how it looks. How it looks like before anything has been done on both sides. Plain silver. And then this is what it's gonna look like after. Oof. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go install these real quick. And this is what the finished product looks like. Let me go to the other side. The thing about this is that 2 of these come with these holes for the key right here. Let me show you. So I moved them to the back. Well, I don't even know what it is. This little hole right here. I don't need them. The front doesn't have a key right here or anything. So I moved these to the back. So both of the backs have these right here. I don't know if it's just to grip it better or something. Like, cause it fits my thumb. Like you can see me, huh? But I'm put them on the back, so these look flush in the front. Like, let me show you the other side. You see, flush. And this one doesn't have a key, so I think it might have right here. I can't remember now, but you see, that way if you need to open the door, your thumb fits right here. But I like it. Comes with both, looking nice.